Apple's WWDC event is getting closer by each passing day, and the tech giant is set to unveil some major updates during the event. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Apple is set to launch its new operating system, iOS 27, next month, ahead of a September release. This isn't just any update, but it is expected to include some AI chops with a dedicated Siri app, expanded Apple Intelligence capabilities in apps like Wallet, Safari, and Shortcuts. And if your hell turns into hello, you'll be getting an upgraded keyboard with improved autocorrect and the ability to use Apple Maps via satellite connection and more. But these aren't the end of the list, as in his Power On newsletter, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman revealed there are 4 additional iOS 27 changes related to AirPods, Genmoji, AirPlay, and Siri. Users that update to the new iOS will be getting a revamped AirPods setting menu that's better organized. They're also up for improved quality for Genmoji and image playground creations. They'll also have the ability to set AirPlay alternatives, such as Google Cast, as default, but this feature might be limited to EU only, and a new Siri interface with a dark color scheme, similar to Apple's WWDC 2026 graphics. If any of these new features entice you, Apple's WWDC 2026 keynote begins on Monday, June 8th at 10 a.m. Pacific time, so even if more features are left to be discovered, we sure will learn more about them in a few weeks. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.